Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on to do an unboxing for Color Rush Studio. This is for September 2024 and it is the You Rock kit. Now I've got the main kit, the add-on kit, and the acrylic kit, which I cannot wait to see all of the things. So let's get into the papers. I believe there's 12 in the main kit. The add-on kit has 6. So let's start here. And I'm hoping I have them in order so I can show you backs and fronts. We'll see how it goes. All right, our first paper, this is a really nice desaturated gray blue with little arrows on it. Very cute. It's soft enough that it can read as a background, depending on your vibe. Now the back side to it, it's this very nice vibrant lipstick pink with a nice diamond geometric. Very nice. Okay, now we've got text. Excuse me, I had to sneeze. You rock, be bold, be brave, you're perfect just as you are worthy. So super cute, and we've got some little emoticon little critters. Very cute. And the flip side to that, it's really bold, really graphic, black and white, super fun. So many things you can do with that. Our next page is full of hexes, and I do love me a hexie. And you can see the whole color palette. We've got lemon yellow and our nice slimy greens, a couple tones of blue, cute. Our next piece, oh, this is the back side of the hexes. So it's, all white backgrounds on this with that really nice bright pop of pink. Reminds me of tile. Very nice. Let me bring them down a little bit. Okay, guys, look at the smileys. They're super cute. Look at the little star in the eyes. So they're super cute. Smileys almost looks like he's doing a little winky wink. Cute. And the backside to that, it's this really great black and white, like Vans kind of a print. Love how bold that is. Oh, next one. Cute. We've got daisies, and they're adorable on a lemon yellow background. Super cute. Like it. I'm going to keep saying super cute because I think this kit is so cute. So this is interesting. These are in a line, but kind of on a diagonal. So we have be bold, be you, be beautiful. We've got this really great floral that I want a fussy cut out. So super cute there. So that's the back side. Now we have got a white background with a really nice sky blue star. Pretty. So look at this palette. It's fun. It's so fun. And then the backside to that, it's this one right here that is downright fantastic with this, yeah, that's the backside. And it has all kinds of picture frames, but there's also these bits that you could so easily fussy cut. I feel like I may have messed up on one of the papers, but I think I have one still in the add-on kit to show you. It's like tags or something. Okay, so we have that. Now, our embellishments that come with it. For our frazzles and ribbons, we've got this black one with some stars. Here's that kind of Vans print, but with that really bright pop of pink. Kind of a houndstooth in black and white, and the sweet little daisy florals. Super cute. Oh, guys, there are so many things to show you. We have so many embellishments. Okay. We've got an alpha. Oh, cute. So it's got a little bit of a plaid. It is white, and it's, what are they? Foam and cardstock letter stickers, and they're on white foam. Very cool. Can kind of go with anything. Then I've got a set. They're from Vicky Booten Print Shop. And is there any more information? It looks like chipboard, and they're all in black and white. So they're so usable. Ooh. I've got a little piece here. Hold on. Let's see if we can get them all out because I want them out to craft with. So let's see. Oh, they're awesome. So bright white and black. I mean, there's all kinds of things. So book plates, little circular elements. Ooh, we can have fun with that. We can back them with things. There's a tab, a really nice, oh, guys, look at how pretty. I know it's just a heart, but it's dimension and it's just cuteness. So all kinds of things. Big old tab, quote me, a speech bubble. Oh, and look at, there's smaller pieces like these little stars in here. So the point is, oh, little hearts. There's all kinds of things in here to judge your layouts. Nice little arrow piece. Oh, please take a number. You know, like, I don't even know if they still have them at deli counters. I haven't gone to a deli counter in 300 years, but you know. All right, so that's from Vicki Boutin. Then, let's see. We do have bits and pieces that are pre-cut for us. So let's take a gander. Come, come, come. I always like to see what we have, and then my mind just starts going, okay, what are we going to do with this? Stars in that great black and white and the pink and white print. We've got our big smileys. Oh, open eye, star for the eye. Oh, little piece. Ooh, and then just plain black and whites. Florals, thank you. A nice frame. The thing that's kind of cool is I look at this and I could totally see coloring in the little florals. That is awesome. All right, lots of black and white elements. And then, oh, these are cute. We've got some star pieces, and these are like shaker pocket stars. So check out the color palette. I'm gonna save these to the side, my packaging. But they're like little shakers, like the little pieces move around in there of little sequin bits. So cute. So those are fun. And then the last thing in the main kit, these are made out of foam. And I find them to be just so, like, they're super soft. And they've got this little imprint, but look at how cute. We've got lime green, bright blue, magenta, and kind of like a tangerine color. So guys, that is the main kit. So let me swoop. I shall swoop this up. Swoop, swoop. And I know I'm missing the one piece, and I'll show you the piece I think I'm missing from this, because it kind of all came together. So hold on. Hold on. So then from our add-on kit, let's see. We have got, let's see what we have. All right, we have this piece. Now, these are the same as in the main kit. So guys, cut this all up, do all of the things. So we've got this piece with the frames and the blue stars. Perfect. And then, ooh, this one, is this one different? No, it's not. Okay, so all of the text, and in the background, there is a pattern in blue on the background, if you look closely. And then we've got that more subtle, oh, the same blue with the arrows. Our smiley faces with that really bold black and white. Then we've got this one here with the different pieces on the angle. I'm going to use one of these and cut out so many things. I love these florals in the vases, and then these. So I've got a little fussy cut pile going. Now this is the one that I was like, oh, I think I'm supposed to have one of these in the main kit. So we've got tags. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, or maybe not. I don't know. Maybe both of these are in this kit. Okay, I'm not sure. I'll look at the photo. And then we've got all of these tags. Oh, that's in color. You know how I was saying, like, you can color them so easily. We've got this cool lightning bolt, more of the smileys, and then all of the bits. We've got border things. And then the flip side to that is a super useful paper, just white and black, and it's pretty subtle, the lines through it. Perfect. And then the embellishments that come with this are, and I just had them in my hand. Okay, we've got these little like fabric tags. They're bits and pieces. And let's see what we have. Looks like, oh guys, I mean, they're so cool because they're fabric. We've got the bright blue. We've got lavender. Oh, and that picks up the color in those puffy stars, or, you know, like the shaker stars. Look at how cute. Oh, and I've got a couple of this, like, it's kind of like between magenta and orchid. It's gorgeous. So those are fabric, which is so cool. Like, kind of like a sewn-in tag you have. Then, look at these. They're little smileys. So there's all of these little touches I think are adorable. Come on out, guys. Last one. Come on. So let's see the dealio here. I'm going to move this to the side. So we've got lots of them. Are they felt? They kind of feel like between foam and felt. They're like tweeners, but look at how cute little bits. So those are adorable. And then the last thing in this kit, look at these patches. Oh, we've got a little bit of gold touches on them. So fun. So let's see what we have. We've got, they're so dramatic too. Look at, so it's like on the back. Is that a sticker? I'm trying to see, or is that just the backing? I think it's just the backing. It's very cool. So they're like literally patches, and this is soft and fuzzy with that smiley. And then we've got, oh, little heart eyes, and then some lightning bolts. So that's our add-on kit, right? Let's see what we have for the acrylic kit. Oh, guys, and there are 2 cut files for subscribers. 2 cut files for subscribers that, oh, I have a piece of white cardstock I can show you guys. That you can download and play along with as well. Guys, I haven't seen these, and I can't wait to see what we have. Okay. So let's see. I've got a smiley with lightning bolt eyes. Cute. Oh, I've got it in the teal as well as this hot, hot pink. Oh, I have Be Bold. Oh, a little lightning bolts in there. Be You. Let me see if I can get out of that glare. There we go. Be Bold, Be You, You Rock. Let's see what else we have. Choose Happy. That's awesome. And then we've got some stars in these great colors. Guys, this is so cool. So we've got some stars. And then the pieces that came in the smileys, we have those as well. So if you're feeling it, you can just go ahead and put them in your other little smileys, and it's going to totally show up. So how cute is that? So this is the You Rock kit with the add-ons. And this is the acrylic kit, which is a whole like separate subscription, guys. But she's doing such a beautiful job with them that you can go ahead and just, oh, this one goes like this. You know, but I got to take off the peeling. But yeah, she's doing such a beautiful job with designing, curating, putting them together. So guys, I'm going to get to work playing with this, and I will see you guys ever so soon with another video. Oh wait, there's also always a sketch challenge that's super fun with a twist. So go into the Kit Club and look at the sketch challenge and take a look at the new cut files that you guys can download when you subscribe. Okay, that's what I have going on, friends. I will see you guys all ever so soon with my first video. Bye for now, friends.